For most purposes, the three basic project access groups, owners, collaborators, and members, are suitable ways for granting access to your project data. But your study might have some unique collaborations that require a more fine-grained approach. That's where custom user groups come in. For example, you might have a role in your study that is strictly devoted to uploading image sessions. They don't really care about any other data in your project, and they don't necessarily need to see it. We could create a custom user group, call it uploaders, and grant them precisely the access that they need. Let's go to our XNAT to demonstrate. We'll start by going to our project's report page and clicking Access, and then clicking Manage Groups. And inside this dialog, we'll click Create Custom Group. On this next page, we'll be able to name our custom user group, and we'll be able to define its permissions on a per data type basis. You'll notice that every custom user group must be able to read your project and read its subjects. If you created a group without these basic permissions, it wouldn't be able to do anything else. We'll grant this group edit access on each of your image sessions, but we don't have to give them access to anything else. Upon saving, you'll notice that our current users in this project can be added to this custom user group. We can also do the same with new people that we invite into our project. If we decide to change the permissions associated with this group, we can do that at any time using the Manage Groups dialog and then clicking Edit next to our custom group's name. One thing you might notice is that we can't grant custom permissions to edit the project itself or delete it. These custom user groups are only intended to be used to manage access to your project data. This ability to create and manage custom user groups is given to anyone with project owner access. In fact, one clever use of custom user groups might be to create a data manager role that has permissions equal to a project owner in terms of the data. In other words, being able to create, edit, or delete project data, but not be able to manage the project itself.